Hey guys and girls, welcome to how to like and comment on posts as a company on LinkedIn. So normally when you log into LinkedIn on your profile, you are liking and commenting on the newsfeed as an individual. So if you want to do it as a company, and this is my company, Bibby Consulting Group, this is how you do it. So you go through to your company page. You've got to be an admin of your company page. If you don't know if you're an admin or not, you'll have to look up here and you'll see whether or not it's showing up under the manage section under your avatar and the company. So you click on that. So once you're an admin, you go to this area and then you are able as a company to put in 3 hashtags. This section here in edit, hashtags. Let's say you put in hashtag LinkedIn video or hashtag Ask Nat, which is a content vertical of mine. Hashtag LinkedIn Heroes is another content vertical of mine on LinkedIn. That means that with those hashtags, you can actually interact with the post. So if I click on LinkedIn Heroes, it'll take me to that content. See, this is everything with the hashtag LinkedIn Heroes in it. And then if I want to comment on this post, it's going to comment as my company post. See, Bibby Consulting Group. So you can also go through and like everyone else's stuff as a company. And it's a great way to build the business brand. So liking and commenting, engaging on stuff that hashtags are using. So my suggestion is use hashtags that your company is using so you can engage with the company content. If your users are using the same hashtag, you can engage with their content. And then pick something that's specific where you are going to get value from the people, using that hashtag, seeing your brand pop up and you being able to add value. This is a great way to get your company brand out there by engaging with content on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn hacks, social media tips, and I'll speak to you soon.